Hey Grateful Gang, how are y'all today? Look, Free Assembly done stocked up again with some cute stuff. They stay in the game. That's why anytime you see Free Assembly putting something out for $8.05, I mean, sorry, $8.05, they're about to bring out a whole new lineup of stuff. And this is one. This is cute. And they got them in my size. Let me see. It does not stretch at all, y'all. Not one bit. But this is cute. Hold up, because I'm seeing something in the back. Now here it is. And oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm loving that. Look at the sleeves too. The eyelets at the bottom. This is definitely giving spring is nigh. Y'all, it's this month. It ain't yet, but you might as well get ready. Look at this one. It's quilted like the old school covers that we used to have. I don't know about this. Puff sleeve eyelet jacket. I don't see an eyelet not on here. It's just where's the eyelet at? These are eyelets. But okay, if y'all say it is, once you say it, then that's what it is. We just gonna have this is scoop though. This is not even Free Assembly. And I done knocked the whole shirt down. Oh, I'm always doing something. Now, I'm imagining, I wonder could you put this with that? Like this jacket with this frilly shirt. I think that would be cute, especially if it had a skirt to match. And I know we got the pinstripes going, but I wouldn't mind mixing those two prints like that. That might be kind of cute. Let me look at my size. See, is it sizing? Of course it is, because it's giving smocked. Y'all see that? It's definitely smocked in certain little areas, and the fabric is, yeah. And it's longer in the front, right? Yes. So it covers in the front, but in that back, it's like we want y'all to show that. Period. I like that. That is really, really cute. I don't know what we got going on right here, y'all. I'm standing here with my hand on my hip and my foot crossed in front of my other foot, kind of just wondering what are we doing here? Like, okay, it's giving a, I don't know what kind of collar moment this is. It's giving a ruffled turtleneck moment. I couldn't do this. It's not that I couldn't do this. It's the fact that you did this print is what I'm not feeling. Yeah, I don't know about this. This is different. So different. And then they don't have it in my size, of course. Yeah, they got an extra large back there, but that doesn't stretch not one bit either. So we will have to have that stretching out. Now, do they have any jeans that your girl can fit? I don't think this belongs here, but I'm gonna put it there anyway. Nope, we're looking at 16 is the highest. 38 wide. Yeah, I don't show any jeans that I can actually fit. So we're gonna have to skip out on jeans again, y'all. I'm gonna just try it on in my panties and cause I got on the dress. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh my goodness, now this is eyelets to me because it has that hole there. I'm so sorry, y'all. I had to sneeze real quick. I didn't want to do that all on camera. Alright, so I don't know where some of these clothes is at, but look at this. Now this is a large skirt. I'm sure it stretches, so I could probably get this on, but I'm gonna look for an extra large anyway. But look at these two. Ain't that cute? And then look at this one is for the plaid one. It's not my size, but it's really, really cute. Now I would have to get the top in a XXL, right? And then the skirt, I'm gonna find it off camera because I'm not gonna shift y'all through all this stuff and be covering the camera all up. But I definitely see that they got an extra large in this one. I don't know if this is really my type of deal, but it's really cute still. And then this one, the jean one is cute. The double denim is cute, but guess what? They don't have it in my size. Ain't that crazy? That is crazy. They do not. So somebody done bought it all out of my size. Dang, y'all suck. That's the one I would want to try on though. I'm gonna keep it real with you. But since we don't have that one, we gotta make do with what we got, right? Now oh, they do got the XXL skirts. Wow, maybe I should do the skirt in this. No, that doesn't match at all. So let's put this one back. And we're gonna go extra large in this one. cute. Does it have pockets is the question. It does not have a pocket at all, which is terrible. Dang it. But what y'all think? Is it giving Little House on the Prairie? I almost don't like it because it's not that double denim jean one. Yeah, but this is what Free Assembly has to offer today. Oh, look at this one. Oh wait, even a little, let me look. No, I like this one. Let me look at this one. Oh my goodness, I like this one. This is definitely giving Polly Sue. That would be my little name. Look, it's smocked in the back, so you know it stretches a little bit. Oh yeah, just a little bit, just a tad bit. What size do they have this one in? And also, is this one smocked? This one's also smocked in the back. I see a denim one that's smocked all over. Wait, this is an extra large. Oh, this one's got pockets too. I feel like I could fit this one. Oh, y'all, they got some cute stuff. This is only an extra large, but I think I can get into that. If I can't, y'all better not laugh. But these two are really cute too. It's going in the basket. Yeah, I'm not feeling this dress. But does this one? This had pockets, but the skirt did not. That's crazy. I guess she's trying to get by. Nope, they don't have them in my size on that either. This is cute. This is too cute. Is this Free Assembly? See, this is the only thing that I don't get about Free Assembly. Sometimes their stuff doesn't seem cohesive. Somebody did just mention to me that they have barrel jeans. I see them, but yeah, they're not gonna have them in my size. This is a cute skirt though. This is cute, but what would I wear it with? Like, I would buy the skirt and then what? Go to a different brand and buy something? I wouldn't want to do that. I want a whole Free Assembly outfit. This was over here, but I'm gonna leave it there. It's Free Assembly, but it doesn't belong. All right, this skirt, it does belong, but with what? I guess this? Yeah, that just doesn't match to me. It just is not giving that it matches at all. At all. But it's still cute. Let me see. I think my phone is ringing. All right, let me see. Let me put these two together. No. Oh, that is blue. Y'all know I got on my other glasses that are sunglasses right now, so I can't really see this, but I think this does match. But this is an extra large sweater, and here's the thing about these sweaters. They tend to do this when I try them on, so I will have to oversize this type of sweater. So we're gonna leave the skirt, but this is cute. This is cute. I like that. When I put it together with this, it makes sense now. It's just that, oh, I love how thick and how bubbly this skirt is. I love a bubble skirt. Now, let me, oh yeah, I already looked at those jeans and they're not gonna match, so. And then last but not least, Free Assembly has shirt dresses. They had a shirt dress that came out last year that I had to have that I did not get. I would feel like I would be doing myself an injustice if I even entertained this because it doesn't have the big bubble. And that's what I liked. It was straight down with the bubble at the bottom. It was a beautiful dress and it sold out on me. It went all the way down to $15 and I did not get it. I was tripping. But y'all, cute stuff. Let's go off to the fitting room. Now y'all, this dress is a little tight, okay? And we're trying it on in a double XL. So I ain't even gonna attempt to try this one on. Do you feel me? Because, oh, you know what? I might be able to get this one on because it stretches out a whole lot more. So I might be able to try that on. But this one, I got some work to do to be able to get into this one. Now I don't even know how I'm gonna get it off because I slid it on. But when I say I slid it on, it was a force. But I love how it looks. So cute, so adorable. I would wear it with a jean jacket or a white cardigan, a yellow cardigan, even a blue cardigan would be dope as well. You can probably get away with a blazer if you want to wear it. This would be dope in several different ways. I like this one. And then I can also play around with gathering it here and there. to make it more cocktailish. Y'all, this dress is so cute, I think. I don't know if this is one that I'm going to be watching, because Free Assembly will go down too, but they take a long time to go down because they sell. But I like this dress. There's something sticky in this pocket. I don't know what it is. Some little piece of paper. But anyway, y'all, this one, super cute. As you can tell, it's just a little tight in the bust area. The smock area is smocked enough. I think it's tired of smocking. So I'm gonna get up out of this dress, y'all. I want to take this dress home with me. Like, this one is the winner. I love this dress, y'all, and it took nothing to get it on. And it's crazy because it's an extra large and I'm supposed to be in a double XL, but no need to size up. I'm loving this. I'm loving the pockets. I'm loving the length. I'm loving the bagginess. I'm loving the denim, y'all. I got a purse that would go crazy with this, okay? My chain tabby that's blue is denim, actually. It's this color denim with the lighter C's in it. Chef's kiss, y'all. That would be like super, super dope. I gotta have this. It will be on the watch list. I gotta have this one. This is so, so adorable. It's smocked all the way around. And the way it looked back there, it's giving. I love it though, y'all, for real. This one is a #1 pick for me, and it's Free Assembly. Alright, so if you see this one, look in the shopping bag. Don't pass it. This one's beautiful. This was really, really cute. Now all I need is some like denim espadrilles, and we good to go. Love it, y'all. But y'all, thank you so much for checking out my video. Bye bye.